Welcome to First Steps with ASM, getting started with ready-to-use projects. Modeldesk is the central access point for ASM projects. Therefore, new ASM projects are created in Modeldesk. To facilitate simulation tasks, ASM is delivered with ready-to-use projects. On the Modeldesk Start page, click New ASM Project. The Create ASM Project dialog opens. First, select an ASM project type. Note that the ready-to-use projects in the list depend on the available licenses. Next, specify the target directory. Then, select the target platform. Click OK to create the ASM project. When you create an ASM project, the associated Modeldesk project opens automatically. Now, you can use Modeldesk to control the simulation. Some ASM projects contain a prepared animation project. To view the animation project, open it in MotionDesk. MotionDesk starts in the background. Click Start Maneuver to start the simulation. MotionDesk opens automatically. In Platform, select VS from the list. In Simulation, click Go Online to start the animation. You have now had a first look at a ready-to-use ASM project in Modeldesk and MotionDesk.
DSpace, your partner in simulation and validation.